In the year 2000, the United States of America found itself embroiled in a legal battle that would have far-reaching consequences. This lawsuit, known as Bush versus Gore, centered around the contested presidential election between George W. Bush and Al Gore. At the time, the nation was on the edge of its seat, anxiously awaiting the outcome of the election and the subsequent legal proceedings. The controversy surrounding Bush v. Gore would linger long after the final verdict was reached. The dispute arose due to the close and contentious race in the state of Florida. The outcome in Florida would have a significant impact on the Electoral College votes and determine the winner of the presidency. As the vote count continued, it became evident that the margin of victory was extremely slim and subject to potential error. Both the Bush and Gore campaigns quickly mobilized their legal teams to navigate the complex web of election laws and challenge the results. The legal battle reached its zenith when the case made its way to the Supreme Court of the United States. The central issue before the court was whether the recounting of votes in certain Florida counties violated the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. The decision of the court would have profound implications for the democratic process and the peaceful transfer of power. On December 12, 2000, the Supreme Court announced its verdict in a highly controversial ruling. The court voted 5-4 in favor of stopping the recounting process, effectively handing the presidency to George W. Bush. The majority opinion argued that the varying standards of vote counting violated the Equal Protection Clause, creating an unfair and unequal system. The ruling was met with both applause and outrage across the nation. Supporters of George W. Bush celebrated the outcome as a victory for democracy and the rule of law, while supporters of Al Gore were disappointed and felt that their candidate had been denied a fair chance. The legitimacy of the decision continues to be debated to this day. Bush v. Gore marked a defining moment in American political and legal history. It highlighted the complexities of the electoral process and the potential for legal challenges to influence election outcomes. The case prompted discussions on the importance of voting rights, the role of the judiciary, and the meaning of equal protection under the law. Ultimately, the lawsuit had profound consequences for the nation and its future elections. It exposed vulnerabilities in the electoral process and spurred efforts to improve transparency, accuracy, and fairness. Bush v. Gore serves as a reminder of the intricate relationship between law and politics and the importance of faith in the democratic institutions that govern our nation.